Good morning, I just got back from vacation. Come harvest with me. Lots of great cherry tomatoes coming in. I'm actually not sure of the variety of these, but they've got this kind of teardrop look to them. They're good. They're all starting to kind of taste the same to me at this point, but these are a chocolate cherry. They get a nice deep brown, maroonish color. These plants smell so good. I love the tomato smell. And then of course we've got the sun gold. Perfect. I've been on vacation, so some of these plants have been drying out. I think everything's gonna be okay. This is a green chili that we've waited to get red. And then of course the Thai chili peppers have been producing quite well, even on this tiny plant. I've been waiting all summer to harvest these. They look really good. We're not even like hot pepper people. Wow, these are looking great. They've really kind of exploded in growth. They've got tiny little Brussels sprouts that are starting to grow. I purchased one of these back in Florida and I was surprised by what the plant looked like. But now that it's starting to grow, I'm realizing that I've actually grown this quite well. Basil's looking good too. Finally starting to get bushy. I was just not able to grow basil last year, so this is pretty exciting. Well, I managed to get this sunflower to grow pretty big, but it ended up with a tiny little head on it. But it's very beautiful. This is my volunteer sunflower. I missed the bloom, but I like how small it is. This is a mammoth sunflower. Hilarious. But it is beautiful. Well, the ground cherries are literally just falling on the ground now. There are so many ground cherries under here. This is amazing. Every time I harvest more, I look down and there's just more where I picked them up. There are so many. Danny's been keeping up on trimming our dahlias and they're really starting to look great. I am so excited that I'm here in time for the teddy bear sunflower. Man, How beautiful is this thing? It is about to pop. All right, this one's done for, but we're gonna let the beans climb all over the sunflowers. I have all this bean growth, but no beans. Well, the snap peas did a great job of barely producing, but surviving most of the hot summer. And then, of course, the cucumber, which is probably about ready to pick, but I'm going to give it another half a day. Yeah, the yellow zucchini's looking great, man. You bastard. You bastard. Big ass beefsteaks here. And then if you can see, I have 3 more eggplant, all looking really good. And Dana seemed to really like them. And my first cantaloupe. Exciting times. Oh yeah, the peppers are finally starting to get some new growth here. Hopefully we get some flowers and of course some fruit soon. But yeah, this is looking really, really green and nice. That early harvest is behind us, so we are rocking and rolling. We've got lots of healthy fruit on this dwarf tie-dye. Looking really healthy. Gonna be really tasty. These I'm gonna grow more of, for sure. I don't remember what these are. To all the haters that doubted me, we have mushrooms. All right, let's check out the grow room and see how things are shaping up here. This is a watermelon time lapse. So I've been running this camera for weeks now, and watermelon's looking pretty good. So probably need to lift the lights up a little bit, but really looking good. This was the backup watermelon. Of course, it looks better as per usual. Looks like our tomatoes are kind of dried out, but they should be able to bounce back, I think. So everything's looking pretty okay for considering a vacation and having someone keep an eye on it who's not interested necessarily in gardening. Looking good. This is my full setup here. Not a whole lot of plants right now. I'm going to try to keep it tame for the winter. Onions.